GRT's massive breakout move is just getting started, and at the time of this recording we have managed to break above the 20-day MA here on the 1-hour chart, flipping it back into support. And the next key area of resistance that I'm watching for a break above lies above the 0.2118. And all this is playing out after we saw a bit of a breakdown move into this blue target area that I have highlighted here on the charts. And on today's video, I will be discussing my breakout target areas and also an Elliot wave structure that is playing out here on the GRT chart. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And starting the video by first giving you a recap of this Elliot wave structure, which started to play out on the 5th of July after we saw that massive breakdown move. We saw a very nice bounce to the upside, giving us a high in that Elliot wave count 1. And after we topped in that Elliot wave count 1, we saw a bit of a breakdown move in an Elliot wave count 2. And after we saw that corrective structure, we saw a very nice bounce to the upside in an Elliot wave count 3, which is an impulsive wave, whose minimum target areas I gave you by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that Elliot wave count 1 and dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, giving me a minimum target area at the fib level 1.618, which perfectly lies above the 0.2226, which is an area we fully maximized. And I say to you that there are high chances that we have now topped in that Elliot wave count 3, and we are going to see a bit of a breakdown move in an Elliot wave count 4, whose minimum target areas I gave you by connecting the fibs from the low of the second wave to the high of that Elliot wave count 3, giving me a minimum pullback target area between the fib level 0.382 and the fib level 0.5. which perfectly lies between the 0.2 and the 0.1932, which is the area over here. And at the time of this recording, you can all see that we have seen a bit of a breakdown move into that target area. We didn't manage to fully maximize the area, though we have now started to see a reaction of the fib level 0.382, and there are chances that in the next coming hours we can continue to see that bullish momentum. And first we need to see a break above the 0.2118, which is a significant key area of resistance with a retest. And once that plays out, we also need to see a break above this significant high in that Elliot wave count 3 above the 0.2223. And the moment you manage to break above those significant areas, then that will be enough confirmation that we have now bottomed out in this Elliot wave count 4, and we have started our impulsive move to the upside in an Elliot wave count 5, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that Elliot wave count 1, then dragging the fibs to the high of that Elliot wave count 3, giving me my first minimum target area at the fib level 0.618, which perfectly lies above the 0.2441. And the moment we fully maximize that target area and we continue seeing that bullish momentum, there are high chances that we can get another aggressive bounce back above the 0.028, the 0.2802. So that is the price action that I'm expecting here on the GRT chart for the next coming hours. And we also need to have in mind that since we have not managed to break above resistances, we can also get rejected. And if that is the case, and we get rejected at the 0.2118, then I will be expecting a pullback into this blue target area over here, find support within the area, and get one more new low in that Elliot wave count 4. Then from that point we can attempt another massive breakout to the upside in that Elliot wave count 5. So that is another scenario that we need to have in mind. And that's all for this video, and I hope to catch you on the next one.